When we got to the snake pit, we sat in the front close seats. That was a mistake because the person in the pit pretended to throw a snake at us. In my opinion, it wasn't like something that had to do with the snakes. It was just because I got scared. Like if somebody did that to me right now, I'd probably flinch.
You guys want to sit close to the snake pit?
I'm getting out of here.
Not right now when the snake's that close.
Yeah, that snake also python. Python they grow to nearly 6-7 meters long, typically about 30 to 35 years. One about 9 years. Python is a size you can swallow the chicken, cat.
Yeah, no. I just hate snakes.
Did you wrap a snake around your shoulders, Hope?
Never. I feel like it would suffocate me. I hate snakes. Well, I don't hate them. They just freak me out. They look so slimy.
Okay, the next one is the poisonous snake.
Families in my chill here.
You weren't expecting this to be sitting this close that you would get some action? Hope and Rhea keep moving farther and farther away.
Cobra bite human 30 minutes. Yeah.
I'm standing over here by the door, as far away from those snakes as I could get.
Okay, the next one is the more dangerous snake in Thailand. King Cobra.
Hope, would you ever kiss a snake? No. No way.
One kiss.
Never. They're probably so scary. Oh.
Nearly 5 meters long.
I could never do what he's doing. I'm too scared of snakes.
No.
The show was really scary, and I didn't like it because they were snakes. I don't like steaks.
Would you go back to a show like that?
Yes, I would, but I'd sit in the back. Look at this guy. First he was mean by throwing a snake at me, and now he's laughing and saying something to me in Thai. I don't know what he's saying. That guy is so mean, I want to chop him up into teeny tiny pieces and give him to a restaurant.